So good morning to everyone. So today in this video we are going to discuss about Oswal Agro Mills share. Today it was open, and we know that continuously it was in lower circuits when we consider its past few weeks journey. So it was also the popular share among the retailers. So I updated in the community section that Oswal Agro is open so that you can add this particular share, and it was open for almost 5 to 10 minutes, and later it has hit the upper circuit. So people who have subscribed and pressed the bell icon, all of them got the notification. So in this video we'll see the complete picture of Oswal Agro, and we'll try to find out the levels on chart. So watch the video till end. So you can see I have posted in the community section that both Magma as well as Oswal Agro is open. So interested people can add, or they can average whatever they can do. So that's why I posted it in the community section. Now let's see the business of Oswal Agro, and we'll try to find out the overview of the company. So Oswal Agro was incorporated in 1979 and promoted by Abhay Oswal. Oswal Agro Mills has 4 divisions. It has sugar division, petrochemicals, agro producing triglycerides, and engineering products. So it is multi-diversified company. So you can see it is diversified into these sort of things, and it was founded in 1979. So it's a very, we can say, old company only, but it has still remained a penny stock. Okay, we'll try to find out the financial also of this particular stock. So when we see the market cap of the company is around 138 crores, and when you see dividend is not given by the company, so one important thing is that we can see here industry P is 28.87 and current P is around 4.29. So you can see how much less valuation this share is present. And another interesting thing, book value is 57 rupees and current price is 10 rupees. So almost it is trading below its book value, and you can see percentage deliveries is almost 100%. So 100% deliveries so is held by this particular company. So very, we can say that very popular share among the retailers also. So that's why I put in the community section so that you can add people who are interested only. Next, when we see the shareholding, we can see the promoters are having good amount of 41%, and one good thing is that pledging is not there for this company, and FIs and other holdings are almost decent. We can say 20% DS are having, and financial institution banks are also having 0.37 holding, and we can see mutual funds are also having 0.01% holding. Okay, even though it's a very small company, we know that only 135 crore market cap, but the business is totally diversified. Now let's see the financials of this particular company. So when we see the revenue in December 2019, it has increased almost 158% year on year. Net income has increased, diluted EPS has increased, only net profit margin has decreased. So you can see only margin has decreased around 60.58%. It has decreased year on year. Okay, only the negative thing of this company is that it has not reported a profit. So that thing we should keep in mind when we are investing in this company. So valuation wise and PE wise, everything is okay at this level also. Okay, now let's see on the charts what we can find out about this particular company. So you can see almost currently trading at 10.35. So you can see that it has almost corrected from past, we can say, more than 1 week only, and continuous lower circuits. Now it has started its retrieval. So if it continues that journey, then definitely this target will be easily achieved. Okay, 16 rupees, 16 change. So it can achieve easily if continuous upper circuit happens in the coming week. Okay, and even a money flow index is telling that okay, it has come out of overbought region. Now again, if it starts upper circuit, and again it will go to overbought region. Okay, so this is in 1 day chart. Next we see in 1 week also it has corrected almost somewhere. It has started at upper candle. This is the support, we can say. So again it has went there, and again it has come again. Today it has taken support at that level 9 change, and again it has bounced back. Okay, with heavy volumes are present today. So that's why I put it in the community section. So people who have bought the share, so they can mention in the comment section. So next video we'll discuss about Sanvaria. That was also open today. I have updated that also. We'll discuss about that share in detail. So people have not subscribed the channel, subscribe for all the latest updates. So until then, take care. Bye bye.